Day 26. Juma Mubarak to all my Muslims. Hope y'all having a good day. You know I'm gonna have a good day. Headed to go pray and listen to the Kuba right now. You know what I'm saying? Rough past couple days trading. We gonna unwrap that. So, and I got a play for y'all because I think I found something. You know, it was a rough time with the news, so we'll unwrap it when I leave Juma.
They don't know why it's
Alright, let's go over what's happening. Let's go over the move. Let's go over what happened this morning. As you can see, down bad to the down bad, honestly, bro. Honestly, can't do nothing but just shake my head. 166 at our lows. We climbed back though. So yesterday, bought IBIT. Then with IBIT, Bitcoin, you know what I'm saying, it did its worst way possible. So as you can see, it went up. This one we bought in. It was cooling right here. Then some crazy news came out. Israel attacks Iran, and that drops it down. Look at the time. June 11th. All right, let's go June 12th. At June 12th at 12 a.m., it was at 107. This jump dropped from 107 all the way to 103. It ain't been 103 in probably like, you know what I'm saying, probably like a couple weeks. So it ain't been at 103 in a couple weeks, but it dropped. So I had to get up out of IBIT. As you can see, it went crazy. So I bought IBIT for $227, and then I sold it for $154. So that's a $70 drop off. Whatever, man. And so just the lesson from that is that, like, this stock thing will switch up on you. Will never know what's going on. Life come at you fast, especially when it's something volatile like Bitcoin, and some bad news come out, and it's just out of your hands, out of your control. There's nothing you can do about that. I planned correctly. Of course, the United Health loss was a big deal, and I tried hopping the IBIT, but it wasn't an emotional. It was a logical move. Nobody predicted that to happen. So, and when it happened, it kind of just took everybody by shock. Like you could see, like the Ferrari engine, everybody was just like in shock today. Like, yeah, it looked good. Like QQQ looked good, but look where it started at today. It started minus $8. This week, it took that drop off. Like, it took a drop off earlier, and then it took that same drop off. It wasn't supposed to do that. And so, yeah, let me see. From 5 all the way to like 12, it just did a nasty drop off. And it's trying to climb back up, but then it did another drop off again. This is tech. So anything tech related, majority of these is tech. So tech not really a big thing when it's time for that action. You know what I'm saying? People with technical analysis and tech companies, they can't help win a war. So what helps win the war, y'all? Defense companies and oil and gold and money. You know what I'm saying? Like Lockheed Martin, up $16 today. Let's see who else. General Dynamics, defense up. Northrop Grumman, defense up. Lidos, defense up. These are the things that y'all need to be looking for in this time frame, because to my knowledge, Israel attacking, Iran plans to go back. So it's about to be something picking up like that, man. You want your money to be safe. You don't want to just be wasting gold. See, gold is performing well right now. Even some little gold mining companies. So now what I'm in currently is I got XOM Call. That's oil. Crude oil is going to be doing this thing. The reason I'm heavily invested in on this is because, as you can see, it's setting up to do a bull flag. So there's the pole right there. There's the chop down, and then here's the come up. So it's either going to reach back to these levels or somewhere around here. My call though, I got a call for it to go to 112. So it's in the money right now. You know what I'm saying? It's in the money right now. I needed to get the 113.71 to break even. I'm up $32 on it, and based on how this weekend go, it might get a little crucial and crazy. And we made our money back, you know what I'm saying? So nothing to be sad about. We had 250 even. I can't complain, bro, because a lot of people did lose a lot of money today, and I was set up to fail. Honestly, if I lost my composure, I was set up to fail. If I cried about this yesterday and was like, man, I give up, I don't know what to do, I probably wouldn't even have got back to this level. So I'm doing a lot for everything. Y'all seen how my day went. I didn't do nothing different besides just buy in what I said I was gonna buy in, adjust when it was time to adjust, and instead of having a day where we lost almost 40% down at 160, we actually only lost 10. And it might, you know what I'm saying, it might go a little different right now. We'll know when the end of the day come. Still got $50 in buying power right here just in case anything happens. Anything I see that I like, anything, you know what I'm saying, that's been dropping lately, we're gonna put our money into, especially one of these big stocks. So I ain't really studying it. I say if y'all want some different oil jumps, I like looking at this one, Shell. So my mother bought this earlier. As y'all can see, it's performing well, up 7% this week, 5%. It's just going to steadily grow right now until we find out some more type vibes. I also seen this short jump with the bag. When I seen it earlier, it was at 214. I think it started off at 228. You know what I'm saying? So right now it's at 214. This week is up 26%. This month is up 35%. This is where the move is right now, y'all. I'm trying to put y'all on. And yeah, we'll just keep thugging like that. Ain't really too much more to speak on. Thank God that we recovered. It's the only person that I can think. I can't even think nothing else, because I didn't plan for that. It just happened. So whatever's in Allah's will, we gonna go ahead and rock out with that. And just trust the process, bro. Never give up, son. Because if you give up, that's what they want. That's what they want from you. They want you to give up. They want you to fail. And when I say they, I'm talking about the devil. That's the only person working against you. Everybody else in this world just trying to live their life. Just trying to live their life as best as they can. The only person working against you is your devil, which is your mind, keeping you trapped in the same spot, telling you be safe and stuff like that. If I was to be safe and held my money, I wouldn't have made my money back. Alhamdulillah for guiding me to that and have a good trade expertise now, because nobody even told me about that play. Straight up. No Discord today on the TV. It was all based off of just intuition, bro. So we'll keep it pushing like that. Take y'all time, you know what I'm saying? We be back to my Fight Club Saturday. I'm kind of taking it slow. I might still go. My sciatica kind of flaring up. Everything kind of happening at once. But it don't matter, bro. We not stopping. If anything, they just push us to go harder, bro. So, sold.